Hello guys, this is Sukudha Kotak this side from EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 1st September 2022. Cabinet Committee on Security approves Tejas Mark II project. The committee has sanctioned rupees 6,500 crores for designing and developing the Tejas Mark II fighter jet with prototypes, flight testing and certification. The advanced version of Tejas LCA will feature a series of addition to its flight and flight capabilities. Indian government approves a memorandum of understanding with Nepal on the biodiversity conservation. The latest MOU aims at strengthening and enhancing the coordination and cooperation in the fields of forest, biodiversity conservation, and the climate change. The MOU also aims at including the restoration of the corridors and interlinking the areas and sharing knowledge, the best practices between the two nations. Bajrang Punia and Vinesh Phogat are among the hosts of the Indian wrestlers named for the World Senior Championships. It is going to be held in Serbia from September 10 to 18, 2022. The Indian team was picked after the selection trials at the SAI training centers in Lucknow and Sonipat. 82 murders a day, 11 kidnappings, abduction every hour across the country in the year 2021. This was stated in the report which was declared by the NCRB, that is National Crime Records Bureau. ONGC gets Rajesh Kumar Srivastav as the third interim chairman in a row. The first question for the day is, which country has broken its own record for the world's lowest fertility rate? The next question is, which country holds the G20 presidency in the year 2022? The third question for the day is, which of the following regulatory body has notified a framework introducing a social stock exchange, that is SSE, in India? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. The questions which were asked in the previous video, here are the answers to that question. Lithnoi Chanabam has become the first Indian to win gold at the World Cadet Judo Championships 2022. Reliance Jio has announced the rollout of 5G services by Diwali in October 2022. The International Day Against Nuclear Test is observed on, the correct answer is, every year it is observed on 29th August. As per the National Crime Records Bureau, that is NCRB report, which city has been announced as the safest city in India in the year 2021? The correct answer is Kolkata. So shout out to Ruju for giving the correct answers in the previous video. Well done, Ruju. That's it guys. Stay connected to our channel for daily current affair videos. For more such MCQ questions, you can download the app from the link which is given in the description box below. We also conduct classroom and also provide recorded lectures, books, ebooks and test facilities. You can contact on the number which you can see on your screens for more details.